students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is unit vector in the direction of vector A is equals to I plus J plus 2K east. So unit vector formula, if you remember, A cap is equals to A vector divided by magnitude of A. Correct? So this is A vector and magnitude of A will be, magnitude of A, if you will calculate, it will be root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. So 2 square 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. So magnitude of A is root 6, correct? So A unit vector will be equals to A vector, which is I cap plus J cap plus 2K cap divided by magnitude of A, which is root 6. So the correct option will be option A. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.